Is your hot water tank leaking? Call Water Out Now first. Stop dangerous mold from hurting you and your family. We are local and understand the Columbus area. We even offer 24/7 emergency service. We accept all insurance companies, so give us a call now. We will extract the water fast and dry and clean any affected content. At Water Out Now, we know water can be very frustrating. We want to help. Give us a call anytime 24/7 at 844-420-6881. Don't let another minute go by. Water damage can be devastating. Let's get started now. Call 844-420-6881.